Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlock image in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now, I am unlocked this image. Now, firstly select the image and click unlock. Now our picture are unlocked. Now I am again lock and unlock. Firstly select the image and lock. Firstly lock and again click unlock. Now our picture are unlocked. Now you can move anywhere the picture and increase or decrease the size. Now you can see unlock image in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.